Hey, how you doing? Yeah, I'm that weird guy. Why? Because I think you should stay weird and just do you, right? Because we're all weird in our own little ways. That being said, guys, if you're watching me, I totally get where some of you are coming from. You know what I mean? Because there is so much information out here. I mean, there's training courses and there's, make money in 2 weeks, 7 days, whatever. That's out here. And everything else in between is kind of out here. I'm doing the same thing, right? But I can tell you this. As you can tell, I'm what they call a seasoned individual. Weird seasoned individual, if you will. Yeah? And I'm guessing that's because of the white crap on my face. Bottom line, guys, I really don't have time to screw around because I know what works and I know what doesn't work. And that's because I've been doing it a while. Now, what I can tell you, if you're willing to do the work, follow the steps, because I'll have a video series that's free that you can watch and go step by step by step, just like I did, only didn't have that video. So now you get it. And it's about sharing. Are you going to make money in 6-7 days? Probably not. Are you going to make money in a month? Probably not. This is not a get rich quick kind of thing. And if that's what you're looking for, really, save your money. Yeah. Go buy you a lottery ticket. Go home. Sit in that kind of knockoff lazy boy recliner and relax. Maybe say a prayer. And with a little luck, you'll hit it. Cool? Yeah. But if you'll do what I asked before, within 6 to 12 months, your mind will be blown as to the income per month you're getting. Now, if that interests you, hit a like, hit a follow, make a comment. Weird guy. Yeah, something. Like, he's freaking nuts. Could be. Don't think so. At least not certified anyway, Hey? Okay. Maybe something. Later.